Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. We are out here. I'm trying to go ahead and whip out my little thingamabobber there so I can maybe set y'all on this. No, not gonna work. It's okay. I'm out here in Maine. Anyways, we're holding it. Let's just grow up. Anyways, we're out here in Maine. It is a lot hotter than you would think it was, and we are fishing for some bass and some perch and some trout. Pretty much anything that's in this water. And yeah, it's fun. If you guys can see, we're gonna go out there. I don't know why I'm doing it like that. With the forward-facing camera, I just made you guys look up there. That's so goofy. Anyways, can't really see out there, but we're gonna go out that way. In that gap right there and try to fish. They've been jumping. But if nothing, it's freaking beautiful. Quiet. They're all the way out there. Oh, yes, it's out there. Anyways, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna go to that side over there. I wanna go by that big rock. I like that rock. That's a nice rock. I'm gonna go by it. See if there's any fish by it. All right, here we go. Well, it's not the prize I was looking for, but that's a bass in Maine, nonetheless. You know, she's not the biggest, but see those rocks right there? He was hiding in those, smash me on it. So you know what the rule is. You gotta set it. Okay, full attitude. Let's try and get another one. Tell you what, with all these smalls I'm getting, I'm hoping for something bigger soon. Another small one right here, you can't see it. Right up on that rock. Remember that big rock I said I was gonna go to? Big crushing them. Set him back, look at how clear that water is. Ready, ah, gone. MIA, missing. Let's find another one. I'm gonna keep hitting these rocks. It's my fourth bass.
Shooter.
Okay, that's it. We're wrapping up a day of bass fishing on the lake. Look at how beautiful the sunset is. It's pretty awesome. Boom! Okay, that wraps it up. We're done. We are done out here. I think the lake name was Compass or Compass. I don't know exactly. I'm not from here. But I had a fantastic time. I think I caught like 6 or 7 bass. Nothing to write home about. Father-in-law lost one. Estimates, you know, this big. Anyways, had a great time. We might come back in the morning. But for now, we're signing off, guys. Thanks for joining me. Peace.